Now we are going to start the today's lecture on the topic of energy and conversion methods in the subject of the power plant engineering. So first of all, we will try to understand the power plant engineering. So power plant may be defined as the machines or assembly of the equipment that produce and deliver the mechanical or electric energy. That is a power plant. That means the plant means the all the machineries, equipment, fittings, installation, apparatus, tool, motors, and the other similar assets are the mechanism that produce and deliver the energies in form of mechanical or electrical. So that is a assemblies of the equipment which produce the powers, that is known as a power plant. For example, internal combustion engine is the power plant. How it is a power plant? Because it is a assembly of the different mechanism which convert the energy of the fuel into useful form. That useful form in a mechanical form which used to run the vehicle, or it is connected to the generator which produce the electric energy. So that is the internal combustion engine is a power plant which produce the power in form of the mechanical or electric energy. So this one is simple, is the assemblage of the equipment permanently located on the some chosen site which receive the raw energy to produce the electric energy. That is a power plant. Now we will discuss over the power. What is a power? So simply is a power is the amount of the energy transferred or converted per unit time. That means that is a rate of flow of energy, or that is a rate of doing work, that is known as a energy, or that is a energy transferred per unit time, that is known as a power. So therefore power can be defined as the rate of flow of energy. A unit of that power is a watt, that means a joule per second. So that energy is a mechanical energy or the electrical energy. If we discuss about the mechanical power, so mechanical power, what is a mechanical power? That is a force into distance, that is a mechanical power. Like that electrical power, that is a product of the voltage and the current, V into I, that is a mechanical power or mechanical energy. So in this there is a energy is an important factor or phenomena which required to run. So energy is an important phenomena in the power plant engineering subject. So generally that is a power plant means the machinery or equipment that convert one form of the energy to the useful form. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to do the work. Human like us, we require the energy for doing the some work. Energy may be exist in different forms like a potential, kinetic, thermal, electric, chemical, nuclear, and other various form. So energy is a conserved quantity. When that is a conserved quantity, so the number of the laws is applicable to the energy, that is a law of a thermodynamics, or first law of a thermodynamics, or the law of a conservation of energy, that is applicable to the this one. So what is the first law of a thermodynamics or law of a conservation of the energy? That is a energy neither be created nor destroyed, but it is a transfer from the one form to another form. That is a also known as a law of conservation